How to open an Instagram DM without others knowing. If you've received a direct message from somebody and want to read the message, but don't want them to know that you've read it, it's actually really simple to do so. So we have a message here that we sent to our Techoist account from another account that we have created. And if we go back into our other account, you can see that Instagram indicates that our Techoist account has seen and read the message. Now this read receipt can be helpful from time to time, but if you want to read a message and don't want that seen indicator to appear, you can use a trick to work around this. So we're going to send our Techoist account another message. And if we go back into our Techoist account, you can see that we have a notification for a new message. So in order to read the message without a seen indicator appearing, you'll want to enable airplane mode or flight mode on your phone. So if we swipe down to our control center, we'll want to turn on flight mode and also make sure that our Wi-Fi is off. So sometimes your Wi-Fi will be left on, but we want to make sure that that's off as well. If you then go back into Instagram, because the app is already open, you can continue using this screen without any Wi-Fi or internet connection. So we can then open up our message, read it, and then if we go back, you'll want to log out of your account by going to your profile page, selecting the menu icon in the top right-hand corner of your screen, and then clicking Settings. At the bottom of your settings screen, you'll want to select Log Out. And now you can disable your flight mode and turn your Wi-Fi or data back on. Once you've done that, you can go back into your Instagram app. We're now in our alternate account, and if we open up the message that we sent to our Techoist account, you'll see that there's no seen indicator or read receipt listed below our message. So even though our Techoist account has read this message, our alternate account receives no indication that that's happened. The one downside to this method is that if we go back to our Techoist account, the notification for the message still appears, and it is marked as unread as though we haven't read it yet. This notification will only go away when you open the message with an internet connection. Once you do that, a seen indicator will appear on the message. And that's how to open an Instagram direct message without the sender knowing. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below. And don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.